Hey folks, here's our next installment of the Flipped Classroom. Today we're going to be talking about the distributive property, and I need you to open your composition books to page 19, and you're going to take notes on page 19. Today we're going to talk about the distributive property. Sorry about the glare, but let's say we went to a party, and we have cupcakes, and I have 6 people at my party. What would I do with the cupcakes? Well, I'm sure you're saying to yourself, you would distribute the cupcakes to everybody at the party. Well, since I have 12 cupcakes, everybody's going to get 2. So I have to distribute 2 cupcakes to every person at the party. Well, you might be thinking, well, what if somebody doesn't want cupcakes? Well, that's their problem. They have to take 2 cupcakes, and then they can do with them whatever they want to do with them. But we need to make sure that everybody at the party gets 2 cupcakes. And you're probably wondering, what in the world does cupcakes have to do with the distributive property? Well, it's the same concept with the distributive property. When you have 3 times the quantity of, let's say, x plus 4, and we want to use the distributive property, we know that we're multiplying 3 times the quantity of x plus 4. Well, the distributive property tells me that I have to distribute that 3 to everything inside the parentheses. Similar to distributing the cupcakes. You don't want to leave anybody out, so you have to apply that 3 to everything inside the parentheses. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply the 3 times the x, which you know is 3x. And then I'm going to do 3 times positive 4, which is positive 12. So 3 times the quantity of x plus 4 gives me 3x plus 12. It's very important that you remember to multiply the 3 times everything inside the parentheses. Let's look at another problem. What if I have negative 2 times the quantity of y plus 7? Well, that means I'm just going to multiply the negative 2 times everything that's in parentheses. And we know that negative 2 times y is exactly negative 2y, and negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. So I have to make sure to put the right sign in the right places depending on what my answer is. Our next example is 4 times the quantity of r minus 3. Try this one on your own. What you hopefully got was 4r minus 12, because 4 times r is 4r, and 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Let's take it a step further, and what if we increase the number of terms inside our quantity? I'm still going to do exactly the same thing. I have to distribute that negative 7 to everything inside the parentheses. So we'll start at the beginning. Negative 7 times a is negative 7a, and negative 7 times b is negative 7b, and negative 7 times negative c is positive 7c.